So let us start the session. Today we are going to do multiple choice questions from chapter number 7, triangles. So let us start with the first question. Choose the correct answer from the given four options. In figure, the congruence rule used in proving triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is dash. So ध्यान से देखो, this is equal to this. Okay, AC is equals to AD and these two angles are equal. And what about AB? Common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? SAS, right. So the correct option is B, that is SAS. Now next question. In figure, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equals to AD. AC is equals to AD. And AB bisects angle A. So these two angles are equal. So the congruence rule used in proving these two triangles congruent is dash. So ये common side है. So again these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? SAS, right. And the correct option is B. So now we are moving toward question number 3. In figure, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equals to AC. Then the congruence rule used in proving these two triangles ABE. ध्यान से देखो, ABE this one and ACF this one. इसमें ये दोनों angles equal है, each 90 degree, and this angle is common, right? And AB is equals to AC. That is given. AB is equals to AC is given. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
AAS.
Right. AAS, because side is not included between the angles. So this is the correct option. AAS. A. Now next, fourth question. In figure, L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Then congruence rule used in proving triangle ABC and triangle CDA. So now see, these two angles are equal. Why?
Alternate interior angle.
Very good. Similarly, these two angles are equal when we consider L is parallel to M. And this is common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
ASA.
ASA, right. Very good. So correct option is C. Now we are moving toward question number 5. In figure, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. That is, BC is equals to AD to a line segment AB. Then the congruence rule used in proving triangle BOC and triangle AOD. Now see, these two angles are also equal. Why?
Vertically opposite angles.
Very good. Vertically opposite angles. Now this angle, and one side. And side is not included between the two angles. So which criteria?
AAS.
Very good. AAS criteria. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 6. In figure, angle CPD is equals to angle BPD and AD is the bisector of angle BAC. So AD is the bisector of angle BAC, means these two angles are equal. Okay. Now these two angles are already equal. अब ये दोनों angles equal है, तो मैं इसको 1 1 लिख दे रहा हूँ. चलो, और इसको मैं x और इसको y लिख देता हूँ. Right. Now what is the sum of these two angles? X plus angle 1. 180 degree, right. So angle X plus angle 1 is 180 degree. And what is the sum of angle Y and angle 1? 180 degree. So ये दोनों equal हो जाएंगे. Now eliminate these two. So what we are getting? Angle X is equals to angle Y. Now AP is the common side, right? So the side is included between these two angles. So which criteria you have to use here?
ASA.
ASA, right. So correct option is D. Now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 7. In figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then the congruence rule used to proving triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. See, these two sides are equal and these two angles are equal, each 90 degree, and this is common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
RHS.
Very good. RHS congruence rule. Now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 8. In figure, BE and CF are two equal altitudes. So ये दोनों equal है. And then the congruence rule used in proving triangle BEC and CBF is dash. Now see, these two angles are equal and these two sides are equal. It is given BE is equals to CF and this is common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
RHS.
Very good. RHS congruence rule. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 9. The vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 90 degree. So ध्यान से देखो, एक ऐसी रफ डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ. Suppose this is 90 degree and these two sides are equal. ठीक है? So we know that angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So ये दोनों x हो जाएगा. एक मिनट. In triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. So angle B is equals to angle C. Angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. Now the sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degree. So ये 90 already दिया हुआ. That means the sum of these two is also 90 degree. So 2x is equals to 90. So what is the value of x? 45 degree. Right.
45.
The correct option is B. Now we are moving toward question number 10. In an isosceles triangle, each of the base angle is thrice of the vertical angle. So एक rough diagram मैं बना रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. So see, this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? And AB is equals to AC. This is isosceles triangle, and these two are base angles. और ये दोनों equal होता है. Okay, and this base angle is 3 times of vertical angle. Vertical angle, suppose I am taking x. So ये हो जाएगा 3x. This is also 3x because thrice it is given. Thrice means 3 times. So what is the sum of all these three angles?
180 degree.
180 degrees. So 7x is equals to 180 degrees. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? 180 upon 7. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option D. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 11. The measurement of each of the equal angles of a right angled isosceles triangle. देखो ध्यान से. Right angled isosceles triangle में बना रहा हूँ. So these two sides are equal. Okay, A, B, C. So these two angles are also equal. अभी just एक question किए थे, ऐसी था, similar था. So what is x plus x? What is the value of angle x plus angle x? 90, because one angle is already 90 is given. So the value of x is equals to 45 degree. So the correct option is B. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 12. In the triangle ABC, AB is equals to 4 centimeter, AC is equals to 4 centimeter, and angle A is 80 degree. So ध्यान से देखो, मैं फिगर बना रहा हूँ. ऐसी रफ फिगर है. This is rough figure only. This is A, B, C. Oh, C. एक मिनट. 4 लिख दिया मैं. C. So these two sides are equal 4, 4. So we know that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So ये दोनों equal हो जाएगा. I am writing x, 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 and the value of this angle is equals to 80. So what is the sum of these two angles? What is the sum of these two angles?
100.
100. So what is the value of x?
50.
What is the value of x?
50.
50. So the correct option is
Option A.
option A. Right. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 13. In a triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC and angle B is equals to 70 degree. So उसका rough diagram देख लो एक मिनट. किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. A, B, C. This angle is 70 degree, right? And so this angle is also 70 degree because angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So now we have to find the value of this angle. कितना होगा?
30.
180 minus the sum of these two sides, these two angles, that is 180 minus 140. So that is equals to 40, and the correct option is A.
Option
Right. So now we are moving toward the question number 14. In a triangle ABC, if AB is equals to BC is equals to CA, the measure of each of its angle is dash. So तीनों sides equal होगा तो उस triangle को क्या बोलते हैं?
Equilateral
B.
triangle.
Equilateral.
Right. So what is the measure of each angles of equilateral triangle?
60 degree.
60 degree. Right. So the correct option is A. तो यहाँ पे पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि दिस इज MCQ, steps are not required. And now we are moving toward question number 15. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC and the side BA is produced to D such that AB is equals to AD. Right. इसका मैं एक रफ डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. राइट. सो यहाँ पे ये दिया हुआ ABC, right, ABC and BA is produced to D such that AB is equals to AD. These two are equal. और फिर यहाँ पे इसको ज्वाइन कर दिए. तो we have to find the value of this angle BCD. ठीक है. अब ये दोनों इक्वल है तो दोनों को 1 1 ले रहा हूँ मैं, ध्यान से देखो. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 1 1 and these two sides are also equal, so I am going to take this two angle 2 2. Now what is the sum of all these angles in triangle BCD? 180. So 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So what is angle 1 plus 2?
90 degree.
90
90
degree.
degrees.
Angle 1 plus 2 is nothing but angle BCD. So the correct option is C.
Option C.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 16. In a triangle ABC, AD bisects angle BAC and AD is equals to DC. If angle BDA is equals to 70 degree, then the measurement of angle ABD is dash. So हम लोग एक रफ डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. सबसे पहले एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ मैं, ध्यान से देखो. This is ABC. Right, and we are going to draw AD bisector of BAC. So ये हो गया bisector. So bisector means these two angles are equal. I am going to take XX, right, and also AD is equals to CD is given. So the angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So this is also X, and the value of this angle is given 70 degree. So यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? डायग्राम इज क्लियर?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. we have to find the value of this angle, angle B. ठीक है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? What we will do, we will find the value of X first. So this is an exterior angle and we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Right? तो interior opposite angle X plus X is equals to 70 हो गया. So that is 2x is equals to 70. So what is the value of x?
35.
35, right. 35, fine. So यहाँ का x का value 35 आ गया, देखो ध्यान से. And now we have to find this angle. So 180 में से दोनों को ऐड करके माइनस कर दो. So the sum is 105. So 180 minus 105, how much you are getting?
75.
Right, very good. The correct option is option A. Right. Question समझ में आ गया? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So now we are moving toward the next question. In figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC and AC is produced up to D and CE is parallel to BA. If angle CBA is equals to 52 degree, then the measurement of this angle. So very good question. एक मिनट में इसको एक कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लेते हैं, इसमें ध्यान से देखो. राइट. यहाँ से इसको एक्सटेंड करो. ओके, एक्सटेंड कर दिए. नाउ सी दिस टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, दिस टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंगल? 52. Corresponding angles, these two angles are equal. right? Now see, these two sides are already equal, and we know that angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So this is also 52. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value of this angle?
52.
52, vertically opposite angle. Now what is the value of angle DCE? ये पूरा एंगल कितना है?
104.
Yes, the correct option is
B.
option B, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. In figure, AB is equals to AC and CH is equals to CB and HK parallel to BC. If the exterior angle CAX is equals to 137, then the measurement of angle CHK is dash. ये वाला एंगल निकालना है हम लोग को. So very good question. So first we will find this value, this angle. ठीक है, कितना होगा? 180 माइनस 137 कितना होगा? 43, right? So 43 degree. Now AB is equals to AC is given, so this angle is equals to this angle, right? So इसको मैं 1 ले रहा हूँ. Suppose this angle is 1 और जो एंगल निकालना है उसको मैं x ले रहा हूँ. So if this angle is 1, this is also 1. Why? Because these two sides are equal. Are you able to understand? ये दोनों साइड इक्वल है तो एंगल्स ऑपोजिट टू टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल. So this is also 1, right? So we are going to find the value of 1 first. See, in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 43 degree is equals to what?
180 degree.
180 degree. मैं डिग्री का सिंबल नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. 180 degree, right? So 43 को इधर शिफ्ट करो. So you will get 137 and this is equals to 2 times 1. So what is the angle of angle 1? 137 by 2, that is 68.5. ठीक है, राइट? अभी ध्यान से देखो, ये दोनों पैरेलल दिया हुआ है. So what is the sum of this angle and this angle? 180 degree, co-interior angles. So this complete angle is x plus angle 1. Angle x plus angle 1 is plus bottom one angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Right, angle 1 plus angle 1, it is 137. यहाँ पर मिल गया था. So that we will substitute and shift to right hand side, that is 180 minus 137 and this is equals to 43 degree. So correct answer is 43 degree. Whether answer is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the correct option is 43 degree. कहाँ पर है? D.
Option
Right.
D.
Now we are moving toward the next question. This is also very good question. In figure, triangle ABC is a right triangle and AC is equals to CD. These two are equal. And CDEF is a rectangle and angle BAC is equals to 50 degree. So this angle is given 50. So ध्यान से देखो, this angle is 50. डिग्री का सिंबल नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. And these two sides are equal. So ये भी 50 हो जाएगा. Because angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. And we have to find this angle. So what is the value of this angle? This is rectangle है ना? कितना होगा ये?
90 degree.
90. And what is the sum of all these three angles?
180 degree.
180 degree. तो ये कितना होगा? 40. समझ में आ गया कि नहीं? स्टेप्स मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ बिकॉज स्टेप्स आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. मैं केवल एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज 50, so this is also 50 and this is 90 degree because DC FE is a rectangle. So and the sum of these three angles is 180 degree, so this will be 40 degree. And the correct option is B. Whether this answer is clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 20. Which of the following is not a criteria for congruence of triangles? Very easy question.
Option C.
Option C. Right. Very good. SSA. Next question, if AB is equals to QR, BC is equals to PR and CA is equals to PR, then the correct option is C. हम लोग इसको एलिमिनेशन मेथड से करेंगे, राइट? देखो ध्यान से, A का करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स यहाँ पे Q दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में P है, इसको हम लोग कैंसिल कर देंगे, और यहाँ पर भी सी ऑप्शन में भी P है, इसको भी कैंसिल कर दिए। यहाँ पे आ जाओ, A का करस्पॉन्डिंग R दिया हुआ है, इसको भी कैंसिल, और एक ही बच गया है। सो चेक कर लेते हैं, A का Q है, राइट, B का R, सो दिस इज करेक्ट। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज B। अगर कभी भी आंसर समझ में नहीं आया तो बेस्ट मेथड है एलिमिनेशन मेथड, सबसे पहले एलिमिनेट कर दो, जो बच गया वो आंसर है, राइट। सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22। In triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. See, I'm going to make one rough diagram. AB is equals to AC, right? और ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है और ये 50 डिग्री दिया हुआ है। So what is the value of C? 50 degree, because angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So option B is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 23. In triangle ABC, BC is equals to AB and angle A is equals to 80 degree. Then angle B is equals to 80 degree and angle A we have to find. So चलो अभी पहले मैं डायग्राम बना लेता हूँ। BC is equals to AB. So यहाँ पे B लिख लेते हैं और यहाँ पे A और यहाँ पे C. Right. So BC is equals to AB. ये हो गया। So angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is given 80 degree. ध्यान से देखो. So this is X and this is also X. So X plus X, that is 2X is equals to 180 minus 80, that is 100. So what is the value of X? 50. Right. So correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 24. In triangle PQR, angle R is equals to angle P and QR is equals to 4 centimeter, PR is equals to 5 centimeter. Then the length of PQ is dash. एक मिनट, एक बार डायग्राम बना लेते हैं फिर क्लियर होगा, राइट। सो एंगल R और एंगल P इक्वल है, दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, और जो बच गया थर्ड वर्टेक्स वो यहाँ पर है, right, and the side is given, this is 4 and PR is 5. So we know that the side opposite to two equal angles are equal, तो ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया। So what is the length of PQ?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter, right. So the correct option is A,
Option
right. So now we are moving toward question number 25. In an isosceles triangle, each of the base angle is double the vertical angle. So then the measurement of the vertical angle is dash. So एक रफ फिगर बना रहा हूँ मैं फिर से, ध्यान से देखो, A, B, C, and suppose this vertical angle is X and the base angles both are 2x. Double मतलब 2 times. So 2x, 2x. What is the sum of all these interior angles?
180 degree.
180 degree, right. So 5x is equals to 180. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? 180 by 5 कितना आ रहा है? 36. So the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 26. It is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE and AB is equals to 5 centimeter, angle A is equals to 40 degree, angle A is equals to 80 degree. Then which of the following is true? So what we will do, angle C भी निकाल लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। Angle C is equals to 180 minus the sum of angle A and angle B, that is 120. So we are getting 60 degree, ठीक है, एंगल C हो गया। अब देखो एंगल C का जो करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स है वो E है, राइट। एंगल E is equals to 60 डिग्री, सो एंगल E इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन आ गया, राइट. और एंगल B का जो करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स है वो D है. एंगल D इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, राइट. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग एलिमिनेट करेंगे, राइट. एंगल F का भी वैल्यू जो है, एंगल F का वैल्यू 60 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, जबकि F का जो करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स है A, दैट इज 80 डिग्री. सो वी विल एलिमिनेट दिस वन. नाउ DE इज इक्वल टू सॉरी AB जो है वो DF के बराबर है. सो AB इज 5, सो DF इज ऑल्सो 5. सो मुझे एक ऑप्शन में ही करेक्ट दिख रहा है ये, राइट. और तीनों साइड्स अलग अलग है बिकॉज ऑल द थ्री एंगल्स आर डिफरेंट. सो ओनली वन ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, दैट इज B. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
एक बार और देख लो, वन मोर टाइम आई विल एक्सप्लेन. AB का करस्पॉन्डिंग है FD, दैट इज DF. सो AB is 5 centimeter, so DF is also 5 centimeter. This is correct. And the corresponding vertex of angle E is angle C, right? Corresponding angle. So angle C we got 60 degree, so E is also 60 degree. So correct option is B. Now we are moving toward question number 27. In triangles ABC and PQR, AB is equals to AC, angle C is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q. The two triangles are dash. So ध्यान से देखो, I am going to draw the diagram. एक ABC बना लिए, ABC, right? And AB is equals to AC, it is given. And the other triangle छोटा वाला बना लेते हैं थोड़ा से, right? So P Q, एक मिनट, हाँ Q, यहाँ पे P ले लेते हैं क्योंकि एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल P दिया, तो ये R कर लेते हैं, राइट. सो नाउ सी, एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q, इट इज गिवन, एंड एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल P, इट इज गिवन, राइट. सो AB इज इक्वल टू AC इज गिवन, बट व्हाट अबाउट these two sides? These two sides are also equal because sides opposite to two equal angles are equal. क्योंकि एंगल B और एंगल C इक्वल है, तो एंगल P और एंगल Q भी इक्वल होगा. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस टू साइड्स? ये दोनों इक्वल होगा करके कहीं पर भी कोई कंडीशन नहीं है, तो दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा ट्राइंगल भी हो सकता है, एक छोटा ट्राइंगल भी हो सकता है. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट?
यस सर.
सो ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होगा, राइट. सो कॉन्ग्रुएंट कहाँ पर है? बट आइसोसेलेस होगा. आइसोसेलेस है, बोथ ट्राइंगल्स आर आइसोसेलेस, क्योंकि ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल है, देखो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज A, एंड वी आर गेटिंग ऑप्शन A ओनली. इज दैट क्लियर?
यस सर.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 28. In triangles ABC and DEF, AB is equals to FD and angle A is equals to angle D. The two triangles will be congruent by SAS axiom if. चलो डायग्राम बना के चेक कर लेते हैं, तब समझ में आएगा. एक ट्राइंगल है ABC, ABC, and the other triangle is AB का FD है, तो ये FD, एक मिनट, एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू D दिया हुआ है. सो एंगल A और एंगल D करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल हो गया. सो दिस इज AB इज इक्वल्स टू FD दिया हुआ है, सो ये F होगा और ये E होगा. नाउ सी, दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल and these two sides are equal. So SAS के लिए ये वाला इक्वल होना चाहिए. कौन सा? AC is equals to DE. So correct option is
ऑप्शन बी.
option B. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं?
यस सर.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 29. In figure, it is given that AB is equals to AC and DA is parallel to BC if angle DAB is equals to 70 degree, then the measure of angle BAC is dash. So see, these two lines are parallel. So these two angles are equal by alternate interior angles, right? And these two sides are equal. And we know that angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. तो ये भी 70 हो जाएगा. Now we have to find this angle. ये angle हम लोग को निकालना है. So we will use sum of interior angles of a triangle. So ये दोनों का sum 140 है. So 180 से minus करेंगे तो हम लोग को मिलेगा 40. So the correct option is A. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 30. So angle C is equals to angle A is given. So I'm going to make a rough diagram. ये C है और ये A है. So these two angles are equal, it is given, and this is B, and BC is given 6 centimeter, and we know that the sides opposite to two equal angles are equal. So BC is equals to AB, and so the length of AB is also equals to 6 centimeter. So this is the correct answer, A option. So now we are moving towards, so this is the last question, and in the next session we will do MCQ multiple choice questions from other chapters. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.